Hello everyone and welcome to Herb Spices and Curry. Today we will make fenugreek seed curry, which is very tasty preparation and can be eaten with naan, bread, puri or roti. Fenugreek seeds have many medicinal values, and this curry of fenugreek or methi seeds is very good for diabetic patient, arthritic patient, mother feeding their kids. This curry is also part of a regional cuisine and is considered a specialty. So let's look at the materials that we will require for making this curry. We will need 1 cup of fenugreek seeds, half cup of raisins. I'm using raisins from grape. You can use raisins of your choice. And then 1 cup thick yogurt. We will need the spices as well, but I'll add all these spices directly in the yogurt. So let's look at these spices now. In this yogurt, I'll add 1 full tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'll take 1 tablespoon level filled with salt. You can take salt according to your taste, and also take 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And mix all these spices into the yogurt roughly. The other requirement of this preparation is that fenugreek seeds should be soaked for almost 4 to 5 hours. I had soaked my fenugreek seeds already and they have absorbed water and increased in size. Now I will remove the water and use the fenugreek seeds for this preparation. I have now my pan on medium heat and I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. When oil is nicely heated, I'll add 3/4 a tablespoon of mustard seeds. And when mustard seeds start crackling, I'll add the yogurt and spice mix and mix it thoroughly till the time it starts boiling. Now you can see it has come to a boil now. I will cover it and keep it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. I have to cook this yogurt till it thickens and oil starts separating from it. Once it thickens, I'll add the fenugreek seeds into this, mix nicely, cover it and cook for almost 10 minutes. Making sure that the heat is on medium low. Taking care that I keep on shifting the fenugreek seeds in between. Sometimes when we leave it for a longer time, this starts burning at the bottom. 10 minutes now. I will now add raisins to it. I will reduce the heat further and cook for another 10 minutes. As you can see, the moisture has been reduced very much, and after some time the moisture will come again in the mixture as fenugreek seeds and raisin will start removing some moisture. At this point, just crush 1 fenugreek seed between your finger. If it gets crushed easily, then it's cooked. If not, cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. It's 5 to 6 minutes now. I will again check, and you can see that it is getting crushed easily. So it's ready now. Now I will remove it from the heat, and once it cool down, I will store it in refrigerator and eat for one spoonful with my meals. It's a very healthy preparation, and it is very good for diabetic patient, arthritic patient, mother feeding their kids, and as such, it's very good preparation. You can make modification to this, and if you, some people like to add a little bit sugar, which I don't. I Raisins give enough sugary taste into this. So please enjoy this preparation. Make it and let me know how you liked it. And if you like such healthy preparation, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.